Guns are not only powerful mechanical tools, but also a testament to the sophistication of engineering and craftsmanship. Each firearm is made up of hundreds of small components, each playing a vital role in ensuring precision and safety. In this article, we'll explore the intricate process of gun manufacturing, from producing individual parts to assembly and finishing.
Preview.
To manufacture a firearm, the first step is selecting the right material. High-quality alloy steel is used for critical parts such as the barrel, frame, and chamber. This steel must withstand high temperatures and pressures during firing while resisting long-term wear and tear. Steel bars are processed through CNC machines, computer numerical control, to cut and shape the parts with extreme precision. CNC machines can cut down to fractions of a millimeter, ensuring components like barrels, triggers, and firing pins meet exact specifications. After cutting, these parts undergo heat treatment, where barrels and chambers are heated in an oil bath to enhance hardness. Finally, surfaces are polished to remove any imperfections, making them ready for the assembly phase. Once the individual parts are ready, they move on to the assembly stage, where these separate pieces are brought together to create a functional firearm. The assembly process includes: the barrel is fixed to the main frame and secured with precise fittings. In revolvers, the barrel must be aligned perfectly with the cylinder to ensure the bullet travels smoothly from the chamber to the barrel. The trigger, hammer, and spring are carefully assembled to ensure smooth operation. When the trigger is pulled, the hammer spring is activated, transferring force to the firing pin, which ignites the primer in the cartridge. Safety mechanisms are also installed to prevent accidental firing. For revolvers, the cylinder containing ammunition is mounted onto the frame and checked for smooth rotation to align each cartridge with the barrel. For semi-automatic firearms, the chamber is adjusted to ensure seamless loading and ejection of cartridges. Before a firearm is deemed complete, it must pass rigorous testing to ensure quality and safety during use. The firearm is brought to a specialized shooting range, where it is test-fired with various types of ammunition. The tests assess accuracy. Does the bullet hit its intended target? Firing speed and force. Does the bullet leave the barrel at the correct speed? Recoil. Is the gun easy to control while firing? Every part of the firearm is meticulously inspected using precise measuring equipment to ensure it meets all technical specifications. Tests for durability, hardness, and pressure resistance are conducted to ensure the firearm performs reliably under all conditions. After passing all tests, the firearm undergoes final finishing touches, such as attaching grips, protective coatings, and additional accessories. Grips are designed to fit comfortably in the user's hand, enhancing control and usability. Finally, the firearm is packaged with proper legal documentation, ensuring it complies with regulations before being distributed to dealers or customers.